This is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 93, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. And today, well, that's not very interesting. God has sent us to signifies. Okay, this is a song. So if you go to, I do Alt P, but if you go to the jukebox and go down to signifies, where is it? Signifies. Okay, so here's the Bible passage. For the Holy Spirit shall teach you in the same hour what ye shall say, what ye ought to say. Anyway, so the Holy Spirit is about spontaneity. That's how you get a spirit. If you write a poem and you write the first thing that pops into your mind that rhymes, that can be tongues. So, for example, well, anyway, let's focus on this. This is a standard song, but it has a pop-up for viewing a Bible passage. So let's go over what we do. If we kill this task, we want to set a callback to turn off the speaker. Music settings, reset. This resets the tempo, staccato, all sorts of things. Octave note meter. Anyway, so that's standard for all the songs. The tempo, I think this is 2.4 beats a second. Anyway, when you make the song in if you go to psalmody and if you adjust the tempo, that will show up when you save the song. You get a file that looks like this. There's a couple things added. These are added. Actually, those are added. So the organ program for creating songs makes a file that looks like this. It has the notes, musical notes and octaves. Numbers are octaves. Capital letters are notes. Lowercase letters are eighth note, quarter note, and so forth. Then we have the lyrics are in a zero separate. What do you want to call that? A zero list that has the particular lyric for the note. So D is the first note. Its first lyric is it. D is signify, sig. A, na. So you can only put the notes you can only put the lyrics on the notes. Now the most interesting part of this song is the pop-up view print. So this is, if you look at this function, it views a print statement in a pop-up window manager, in a pop-up window. So this is going to print. Now look at this. This is one of, if you hit Control T, you get, that's a link according to our $sign document format. This format for source code is a doc, which is a $sign document. Anyway, so I'm not very happy with that name, but anyway. And this link goes to it's a Bible find. So if you explore all the different links, one of them is a Bible find, and you say you tell it the book, and then you tell it a string to search for. So it looks up in the Luke book, and then you tell it the string 12:12, which is verse 12, or chapter 12, verse 12. Anyway, and then we wait, task wait. This is, we wait until that task gets created and steady. Once it's, we wait until it's idle. When it's idle and it's just sitting there, then we can go ahead and resize the window for that task. That's because when it's you have to wait until it's idle, after it's finished startup. Anyway, so if we go to Signifies and look at this again, it created a pop-up immediately, didn't it? Yeah, it did. So you see this pop-up window here? That was the one that was created with the pop-up view print. And anyway, and we set the size of the window so that it fit so that it matched the jukebox. Anyway.